Hey all, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, when the expression 8 to the power of 10 times 5 to the power of 22 is multiplied out, how many digits does the number have? Well, the first thing you can realize here is that we can convert this to 10 to a power of something because the amount of power that it's being put out to is how many zeros it's going to have, which makes it a lot easier to count. So how do we do that? We can switch 8 to the power of 10 instead into 2 to the power of 3 in parentheses to the power of 10 because the inside is now 8 times 5 to the power of 22, which would then equal 2 to the power of 30 times 5 to the power of 22. So now we can write 2 to the power of 30 instead as 2 to the power of 22 times 2 to the power of 8. So 2 to the power of 22 times 2 to the power of 8 times 5 to the power of 22. And since this is multiplication, you can switch it back and forth, and this will make it a lot easier to solve using the commutative property. So now we have 2 to the power of 22 times 5 to the power of 22, and that would equal, using the idea that a to the power of 22 times b to the power of, a to the power of m times b to the power of m would equal ab to the power of m. So now let's put that in the corner. So using that idea, we can combine 2 to the power of 22 and 5 to the power of 22 into 10 to the power of 22 times 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8, which is 256, times 10 to the power of 22. So now that we can see that there are going to be 22 zeros behind 256, 256 is a 3-digit number, so 3 plus 22, which is 25. Moving on to problem number 2. What is the sum of the digits of the number? The sum of the digits of the number. This time it's not asking you how many digits there are. 2 to the power of 2005 times 5 to the power of 2007 times 3. Well, this is obviously too big to solve, but using the same idea as our previous question, we can first spread out 5 to the power of 2007 into 5 to the power of 2005 times 5 to the power of 2. So let me write this out. Real quick. Times 5 to the power of 2005 times 5 to the power of 2 times 3. So if we combine these two, it would equal 10 to the power of 2005 times 5 to the power of 2 is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. And we don't actually need to go any further because it's the sum of the digits. All of these are just zeros. The 10 to the power of 2005, all of those are just zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is still 0. Now we just need to add 7 and 5, which is 12. So the sum of the digits is 12. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!